Uh, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, I hope you guys can hear me because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm not even gonna bother try whispering because you guys are not gonna hear me if I whisper. But I'm gonna be a little bit quiet because everybody's sleeping and I just got home and I've been in and out the house all day. Still haven't finished my hair. But I decided to clean my room because I have no other choice but to clean it. It's a disaster. When I show you guys, I mean it's a disaster right now. I'm in the bathroom, which is also a disaster. It needs to be cleaned, but I don't have to sleep in it, so I'm going to clean my room since I have to sleep in it. But anywho, like I said, I'm going to go show you guys my room, and you guys are just going to watch me clean it. And like I said, it's like 2 o'clock, so this is a 2 a.m. room clean. I'm probably going to try to get through everything tonight and then vacuum in the morning because obviously, yeah, like I said, I can't vacuum. Everybody's sleeping. So, yeah, guys. This is the floor when you walk in. That's the clothes I had on earlier today with clothes from work yesterday. The food I had last night. This is from like a week ago that I have yet to vacuum. I wore those shoes yesterday, which was Wednesday, not Thursday. So I wore those shoes 2 days ago. They're still there. Thankfully, my desk is not a mess. It normally is a mess. The top of here, no matter what I do, it just gets messy. My bed, disaster. I got clean clothes. My bad. I have no idea where that came from. This shirt. But it's on my bed now. I have clothes over here to fold up. Clothes over there to fold up. I have to wash my complete sheets. I have dirty clothes on the floor in my closet. Let me put the light on so you guys can see. So, shoes out of place. I got shoes on top of clothes. Shoes on the floor. Dirty clothes on the floor. Thankfully, everything else is fine. But, yeah. This is where the trash is supposed to be. But, I got trash behind the door. Like, you see, it's a mess, like I said. And, honestly, I don't know how I got it to be this bad. But it's bad. But, we're going to clean it. And like I said, you guys are just gonna watch me, and hopefully this will be a 5 to 10 minute video for you guys, but like an hour and a half for me. Let's try to make it an hour and a half, okay, guys? So without further ado, I'm going to set the camera up and click. Okay, guys, so let me pause this. Copyright shit. Alright, so I can't do the wall for nothing, but yeah, so guys, it's just that left to do laundry and remake my bed. And like I said, I'm going to vacuum in the morning. Like I said, it shouldn't have taken me that long. It never takes me that long to clean my room. But it takes me forever to get to cleaning it. Because, yeah. I'm going to probably have it a mess again tomorrow before I leave to go out again. But hey, can't help it. So like I said, I just got to get this shit done. And then period. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to put my laundry to do and find some sheets for this bed. So, yeah. Okay. And so, as you can see, the laundry's folded. And now I just have to go do the sheets on the bed. I think I got it. Maybe. Maybe not. Just
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done for the rest of this video. No more attempting to. Yeah, so bed is made. My covers for those 2 pillows I put to wash with my comforter. So once they are washed, they will be returning to my bed. I'll be doing laundry in the morning and vacuuming. But other than that, for the most part, my room is neat. I'm gonna give you all a little. No, I'm not gonna give y'all a preview. Y'all just gonna see when it's done because, yeah, I'm tired. As you can see, I done got ready for bed while I did all that. After I did all that, I got ready for bed and cleaned up a couple more things that just seemed to appear while I didn't pay any attention to. So I'm gonna just put my bonnet on, drink some water, and go to bed. All right, see y'all in the morning.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Everything's still washing, so I haven't been able to put the stuff on. So once that's finished washing, I'm just gonna put on the sheet. There's no need for me to prolong this video. Like I said, it's gonna be like a quick 5-6 minute video of me cleaning my room, and that's exactly what I'm gonna give you guys. Might be shorter, I'm not sure. But that's exactly what I gave you guys, me cleaning my room. I hope this inspired you guys to clean your room too before y'all go to bed. And hopefully, like I said, I don't mess it back up because, like I said, I feel like I'm going to mess it back up before I leave today because I'm going to have to look at the clothes. I'm going to have to fold up the new clothes that just come out the wash. Like, yeah, don't know what's going to happen. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. And I'm thinking about doing a video of me cleaning my car. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Should I do a video of me cleaning my car? Because my car can get pretty messy because of my job and because of the fact that I'm always at work and home, and with my nephews and stuff. So sometimes I never get a chance, and my car builds up with shit. So yeah, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.